Guys, let's make some stewed chicken in the slow cooker using some drumsticks. I have some drumsticks here seasoned up since last night. Then I have some potatoes, lots of nice fresh veggies, some carrots, and my green seasoning. We're gonna start on browning the drumsticks. With allspice and bay leaves. Three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What? I did not know that. Put the rest of the vegetables on top. You get a little bit of water in here. I'm rinsing this yummy stuff out. I'm going to sprinkle a dash more flour on the top. So we have about 2 tablespoons of flour. One on the bottom, one on the top. And we can't forget this goodness from browning the chicken. So I don't want any accidents, so turn off the heat and put some hot water in it. And we're going to deglaze that. I'm going to add a little more ketchup on top. Okay guys, I'm gonna cook this on low for about 5 hours. 3 hours in, I'm gonna come back and put the potatoes and the carrots in and let those cook for 2 hours. Okay guys, so it's been 3 hours. After two, I started on low for 2 hours, and then the last hour I put it on high. So let's check this baby out. Okay, looking good, looking good. I also added a Scotch bonnet in there, even though I did season with ground Scotch bonnet on the chicken. Let's taste this. Flavor good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add my potatoes and carrots in. And let's cook this for another 2 hours on high. So you got 2 hours on low and you'll get 3 hours on high. Okay guys, our time is up. It's looking good. It's smelling good in here. Ouch. Ooh, yes. So I kind of knew I was gonna want my gravy a little thicker, so I have a little slurry using all-purpose flour instead of cornstarch. So I'm gonna cook it for another 15 minutes or so, thicken it up a little bit more. So I see you back in 10 to 15. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. Here we go. There you have it, slow cooked stew chicken. Look at this, just falling off the bone. My husband is going to love this. Guys, I know this one. You can use thighs as well as drumsticks, or use the drumstick and thighs together. Thank you so much for watching, guys. From my kitchen to yours and my family to yours, God bless you. And I want to encourage you to stay praying, stay prayed up, keep trusting God. It looks glim, I know, but it's all in His hands, all in His timing. Thank you, and God bless you. I made stew chicken in the slow cooker. So good. Making some rice and pigeon peas to go with that. Baby carrots and green beans.